Hello, today I am going to take the topic on recent trends in money market. This is the last portion going to cover from the topic money market. Before going to that, I am requesting you all to subscribe my channel and watch my videos till the end. It's me, Salma Finoj. Welcome you one and all. Okay, let's see what are the recent trends in money market. The first one, integration of unorganized sector with organized sector. Reserve Bank of India has taken many measures to integrate the activities of unorganized sector with organized sector. Second one, enlargement of call money market. There are many steps to broaden the call money market, and from that IDBI, LIC, UTI, GIC specified money market mutual funds can be performed as lenders in money market. And on the same way, DFHI and STCI has been permitted to perform as both lenders and borrowers. Third one, establishment of DFHI. You all know DFHI means Discount Finance House of India, established in 1988. It's mainly for to impart liquidity maintenance in money market, and also DFHI performs a very good role for to stabilizing the money market. Next one, STCI, Securities Trading Corporation of India Limited, established on 1994. The main objective of STCI is to enlarge treasury bills market, and on the same way for to create a secondary market for government securities. Next one, deregulation of interest rate. The government has taken liberal interest rate policy in recent periods. In case of interest rate, the ceiling rate is going to be lifted. In case of call money market, short-term deposits and bill rediscounting cases. The interest rate has been changed according to the market forces like demand and supply of particular products or instruments. And on the same way, the commercial banks are advised to check whether the interest rate fluctuation is within the limit or not. Next one, setting up of credit rating agencies. See, credit rating agencies helps a normal customers to choose a best suitable money market instruments. CRISIL, CARE, IICRA are the credit rating agencies established for to give credit ratings to the raising funds through money market instruments. Another one, LAF, Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Through LAF, Reserve Bank of India remains in money market on a continuous basis through repos transaction. LAF adjusts liquidity position in money market by absorbing and injecting financial resources. Next one, CCIL, the Clearing Corporation of India Limited, established on April 2001. The main objective of CCIL is to ensure prominent and efficient transactions relating to government securities and repos. Next point, electronic transactions. In recent periods, the money market transactions has been done in transparent and efficient manner, and it's because of electronic dealing system. It helps Reserve Bank of India to check it out the activities of money market. Next one, introduction of money market instruments. See friends, I already done a separate video about money market instruments. Definitely you please check it out. Then in case of money market instrument, the first one is treasury bills with having different maturity period helps to enlarge the money market. Another one, DUPN, Derivative Usance Promissory Notes, introduced by Reserve Bank of India. The main intention is to reduce paper movements, and on the same way to facilitate multiple rediscounting facilities. Next one, repos. Mainly Reserve Bank of India uses repos for to absorb liquidity. Another one, money market mutual fund. It is set up in 1991 mainly for to provide additional investment facility to the investors. Next one, CBLO, collateralized borrowing and lending obligation, has been set up with the help of CCIL on January 2003. It is a new money market instrument offered by Reserve Bank of India. For to enlarge in CBLO, Reserve Bank of India provides some relaxation in case of CRR towards the banks. So friends, this all are about recent trends in money market. Hope you guys understood today's topic. Next class, I will take another area, capital market. So please watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.